Hi, this is Python Pyro. Today, I'm going to write a bot that will crash NVIDIA's stock prices. Just kidding. I'm creating a chatbot based on a neural network, specifically the trending model DeepSeek R1. But first, subscribe to the channel and like this video. Your support motivates me to make more interesting videos. To work with the DeepSeek R1 API, we'll need a token. At the time of recording this video, the official website is undergoing maintenance, so I'm using the openrouter.ai service. You'll need to log in, go to the Keys section in the sidebar, and generate an API key. Copy and save the token. I'll write the code using Telethon with a user bot account. However, similar code can be written using other libraries like Iogram. And for user interaction, you can use a Telegram bot account. The code will be as simple as possible and will use the requests library. However, you can use asynchronous libraries like IOHTP if you prefer. For convenience, I created 3 files: main.py for the bot's code, config.py for the token and authorization data, utils.py for the function to send API requests. The configuration file already contains all the necessary information, such as the token, API ID, API hash, and so on. Next, I'll write the function to send requests. First, I'll create headers where the token will be stored. I'll also include a small template to ensure the bot doesn't exceed Telegram's message sending limits. After that, I'll create a dictionary, data, with the request details. In the Messages section, I'll include 2 messages. A system message specifying the response requirements, followed by the user's prompt. I'll create a basic exception handler. Inside it, the function will send a request to the openrouter.ai API. I'll include several error handling options, so if an error occurs, the function will return an empty string. I will save the server's response in a variable and check if the message has been generated. Since the response is in JSON format, I work with it as a dictionary, accessing its values using square brackets. Now, in the main.py file, I'll write the bot's code. I'll add the necessary imports, create an instance of the Telegram client class, and write methods to start and properly shut down the bot. Telegram client is the main class for working with the API. The events module is used for handling events. For the simplest bot, this will be enough. Next, I'll create an event handler. I won't add any additional checks to keep the code simple. I'll only specify that the bot should process incoming messages. We'll pass the user's prompt to the function, and if a response is returned, the bot will send it to the user. Otherwise, it will send an error message. All that's left is to launch and initialize the bot. Since my session has already been created, the bot starts immediately without requiring user account authorization details. I tested the bot by sending it a few prompts. Great, it works as expected. Thank you if you watched till the end. You can find all the code on GitHub. The link will be in the description. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already and like this video. Your support means a lot to me.